In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure Git and GitHub on Windows. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to dive into software development or work collaboratively on projects. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's check if you already have Git installed on your system. To do this, open your command prompt by searching for Command in your Start menu and pressing Enter. Once it's open, type in git-version. If Git is not installed, you'll see a message saying it's not recognized. No worries if that's the case. We'll go through the installation process together. Now let's move on to downloading Git. Head over to your web browser and navigate to git-scm.com/downloadswin. This link will direct you to the page where you can download the latest version of Git for Windows. Click that link and the download should start automatically. When the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run the installation. You'll see a series of setup options. For the most part, you can just click Next through these options, but there's one step where you'll be asked to select a default text editor. Here, you might want to choose a familiar one, like Notepad or any other editor you prefer. This choice won't greatly affect the installation, but can make things easier later on. As you continue through the installation process, you'll see more options. You can safely click Next for the remainder of the default settings. Once you reach the final step, click Finish to complete the installation. Now that Git is installed, let's verify that everything went smoothly. Open a new command prompt window again and type Git version one more time. This time, you should see the version number displayed, confirming that Git is successfully installed on your system. Next up, let's connect Git with GitHub by cloning a repository. This is a fundamental skill you'll likely use frequently. First, go to a GitHub repository page in your browser. You'll see a green Code button. Click on it, and you'll notice an option to copy the repository's URL. Go ahead and do that. With the URL copied, switch back to your command prompt. This is where you tell Git to clone the repository. Type git clone followed by a space, then right-click in the command prompt window to paste the URL you copied. It should look something like this: git clone h/github.com/username repository.git. Now, hit Enter to execute the command. Git will start downloading the repository files to your computer, creating a folder in your current directory with all the files and history from the repository. Once it's done, you'll be able to navigate into that folder to view and work on the files locally. And there you have it, Git and GitHub installed and configured on your Windows machine, along with the capability to clone repositories. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and